Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to stay a true want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see it in your inbox. You will see the picture and the title of what the video is all about. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I recommend and it's something I use, and I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out because sometimes my videos are time sensitive like today. So I want to make sure that you press that notification bell. All right, today is the IPSY day. It is the second day of the month, and this is where IPSY gives us our sneak peek of exactly what's going to be confirmed in our boxes, as well as then our add-ons that we can put in at a special price into our bags. All of that gets shipped in our bags that we choose which bags we're putting the items into, and that all comes including with the free shipping. So it's really an exciting day. I love the second of the month. It gets me so excited that I get up early so that I can film this and show you guys, because I do get all three bags in on this account, and I want to make sure that I can share that with you guys, and then we'll go through the add-ons together. So if you see at the top of the screen, there's three little sections. One says Glam Bag Plus, and the other one says Glam Bag Ultimate. So we're going to start with the Glam Bag, and that's the $12 a month bag. That includes free shipping. It's usually 5 products in there. They're usually deluxe samples, but sometimes they'll throw in a full-size product. So let's see, let's get going. So this is May of 2020, and they're calling it Get the Glow. And we're just going to go up here, and what it says, the add-ons are live. Today only, you can add additional products to your bag before it ships, and you can get extra products. So if you see here, there's little dots, and the one that's highlighted is we can see the bag on the 2nd of this month. Then they're saying on the 5th to the 10th, they're going to assemble it. Between the 6th and the 15th, they're going to ship. Then if you want to go in, they have a watch and learn on the 12th. Then you can do your reviews on the 20th, which I recommend that you do because you get points, and those points will get you some products. And then on the 21st is a date you should mark in your calendar, which I'm going to mark right now, is going to be the pick date where you get to customize a product into your bag. Each bag you can customize one product, and I love being able to do that because no matter what, that product is going to be what you're going to be able to choose. And that is going to be on the 21st, and then on June 1st we start this process all over again. All right, so I'm not going to do the extra product yet. I'm going to go here to first see what's in my bags, and then I'm going to go back to this bag and choose add-ons, or at least show you guys what the add-ons are, because I want to first confirm for myself what's going to be in each bag before I start doing add-ons, because it might already be in my bags. All right, so the first item that they're giving me in my Glam bag, which is the bag that I recommend that if you're not part of IPSY, this is where you start, because once you get into this bag, that's $12 a month, you're able to have access to everything else that IPSY has to offer, which is their points program that gets you free products, as well as the shopper, which every day they put bundles together at fantastic prices. So this is where, if you're not doing anything with IPSY, this is where I recommend you starting so you get your feet wet. This is where I started. Okay, the First Aid Beauty is the first product that they're going to be giving me in this bag, and it's the Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. They chose for me the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in Light Medium. I'm really excited about that. I heard some fantastic things. Oh, this is also great. Tarte H2O Gloss Lip Gloss in Below Deck. Then what I chose for myself was the Golden Faden MD Wake Up Call Overnight Rejuvenating Facial Treatment. I got in a box this Golden Faden eye product, and I used it right to the end, and it was a full size, and I was so impressed with that brand that when this was an opportunity, I grabbed it. The next item is from Space Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow in Intense Stargasm. All right. Okay, so those are the 5 items that are going to be in my Glam bag. Now I'm going to go to switch over here to the Glam Bag Plus. Okay, and we're going to see what we got chosen for us into our Glam Bag Plus. And the bags are really beautiful. They look like they are the sunset bags, and look like the first one was pink, and this one looks like it's yellow going into blue. So those are really pretty too. Okay, what I chose for myself was this Sunday Riley. The Glam Bag Plus is, I'm so excited, I'm sorry. The Glam Bag Plus is 5 full-size products for $25. And when I saw Sunday Riley was an option, I grabbed it. And I always seem to grab the Sunday Rileys when they offer them in IPSY, because this is on its own, I think, an $85 value in a $25 box. So everything else plus the Sunday Riley is such a bonus. Okay, the next item, the Sunday Riley product that is in here is called Good Genes. It's an all-in-one lactic acid treatment. Then I'm getting from Wonder Beauty Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel in Clear. Then they chose for me the Colored Rain Cosmetics in Vineyard Soiree Palette. There were two, so I was on the fence with this one. There were two Colored Rain products. One was more warm color, which is 100% what I would have chosen for myself. But they chose for me this one, which is exciting too, because then I'm going to dabble into some colors that normally I wouldn't purchase for myself. So I think that's great. The next item is from Beauty for Real. It's a high def mascara in just black. And then from Sugar Rush, they gave me a set of 3 A+ brush set. It looks like it is a shader, a pencil, and a blender brush, if I'm looking at this perfectly. All right, so that's that there. And now let's see what they chose for me for my ultimate bag. Now the ultimate bag is their largest bag. It is 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe size products, and that's all for $50. Okay, so this one here, this is usually the biggest bag, and it looks like another beautiful bag. And then they chose for me here Etat Libre d'Orange. It is, she was enamel eau de perfume. I never seen them put a perfume in an ultimate bag, so I'm excited for that. All right, the next item here is Derma Medicine Advanced Skincare. It's a weightless face moisturizer with SPF 25. Then from Laura Geller, the Urban Garden palette in Central Park. I was looking at this too because it's 4 shades, 4 eyeshadows and a blush, and I'm really excited, and the colors look like they're speaking to me. All right, the next item is from Pure Heals. It is a Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Oh, peel off mask. I've never tried one. I'm going to have to try this one. Okay, the next item here is from In Beauty Project. I got a product like this in my Trend Mood box. I'm really excited that that's going to be in an IPSY. All right, this is a Glaze No. 1 lip oil in Candy Apple. Then from Sundays, this is a nail polish No. 6. It looks like it's a perfect color. My favorite color in nail polish is from Essie, and I think it's called Ballet Slipper, and this looks very similar. All right, the next item is the Beautiful Factor. It's a Water Jam Cleansing Gel Balm. Then they have from Naked Cosmetics a lip scrub in Vanilla Cream. Then they have here, this looks like a deluxe sample, which is Way of Will. It is a hand and body lotion in Sweet Orange and ELEMI. I don't know what that is, but I love Sweet Orange. Okay, and then Murad, this was my pick. There is, it is a renewing eye cream, and I think the Murad product, yeah, this is also like an over $80 value. And then the next item they chose for me is from Sugar Rush. This is a Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick. It looks like it's probably in, it says cup, but I'm going to assume it's cupcake. And then the next item here is from Araceli Beauty, which is a good brand. And this is their liquid eyeliners, and they're giving it to us in a brown and a black, which is great. You don't have to choose. All right, so now let's go back to the first bag. And the reason I do this is you're allowed to add 5 add-ons usually into each bag. That's what it's been. Last month it was you can add as many as you want, so I'm really not sure how many you can add. So I always start with my first bag so that if it fades out after I choose 5, I then go to my next bag, because you're able to add 5 add-ons per bag. So let's just see what all the extras are, and then I'll make some decisions later. Okay, so it says here, choose your add-ons before we ship your bag. Add up to, oh, here you go. Add up to 8. It's 8 this month. Extra products, and we'll ship them free with your bag. So the first choices that they're giving us are $18. These are full-size products. And the first one for $18 is Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrate Ceramides with Omega Serum. Then from Kate Somerville, they have a Wrinkle Warrior Hydration Gel. Another Kate Somerville with their DQ Wrinkle Warrior Vitamin C Brightening Booster Serum from 111 Skin. That's a really good product too. And the Kate Somervilles are really good too. And these are very expensive products that they're giving us for $18. And then Skyland, a choice if you want it. Skyland Iceland is a Pure Cloud Cream. Then they have some full-size products for $12. The Galactic Skin Glow Duo in Moonlight. The Nomad Cosmetics in Sydney Bather's Kiss of Sun Palette. Then they have a Sugar Rush. Looks like I'm getting this product already. And this one is in the color Sprinkle. Then they have from MOTD. They're giving an I Got It 5-piece brush set. Then they have here from a company called Starface. It's called Hydro Stars. I'm not sure what that is. And then they have This Works as a Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. And if you know my channel, this is the one that spilt all over my Ultimate box a few months ago. And they had to send me a new one because it emptied out. And my whole home smelled like aromatherapy for a long time. Then they have Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. From Grace and Stella, they have the Rose Quartz Derma Face Roller. Oh, here's the other color I was talking about that was an option. This is the Colored Rain Cosmetics in Mimosa Moment Palette. This is what I would have chose for myself, so I'm happy that they chose the other one for me. And this is Levito 2-in-1 Purifying Facial Mask Exfoliator. I do own this and use it. I am enjoying it. The next item is from Pearlise Beauty. It's Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. Oh, that sounds delish. Then from Library of Flowers, another fantastic product, and the packaging is stunning on this. From it's the Honeycomb Hand Cream. Really, really good product. Then they have, oh, this is new. They have some $6 full-size products. They have from Ico, Fat Liquid Eyeliner in black. From Ciate London, they have the Feast Flicks in black. From Eddie Funkhauser, they have a Twisted Kisses Matte Lip Crayon in Kiss Me Twice. Then from Estate Cosmetics, they have Do Me Baked Highlighter in Brie, or no, by E. And then they have some $3 deluxe size samples. And here they go. It is the Roller Lash Mascara in black. They have the Tarte CH2O Gloss. They have it in Hang 10 Sail Away. And I think one of these different color is already chosen for me in my bag. And then Tarte, they have the Sea Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask in Strawberry Jelly. Then from Benefit Cosmetics, they have the Professional Pearl Primer. From Wonder Beauty, they have the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in Fair Light. Then Clinique, they have the Dramatically Different Hydrating Gel. From Smashbox Cosmetics, they have the Studio Skin Foundation in 216 Golden. Then from Moroccan Magic Clean Beauty, they have a Honey Lip Balm. Then from Belle Argent, they have the Lip Gloss in Jealous of Us. Then from Pearlise Beauty, they have a Matcha Green Tea Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Then One of a Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. Then Skin and Company Roma Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. Then they have from this company Sorachi, a Spotlight Eye Cream. Then from Sand and Sky, they have a Detoxifying and Brightening Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Then from Hey Honey, they have Show Your Glow in the Gold Honey Beauty Mask. Then, oh wow, they have so many this month. Then they have from J. June USA, Essentials Calming and Brightening Sheet Mask Set. Then again, a Hey Honey product, which is Sweet Tree Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovering Mask. Then from Tony Moly, they have also a mask, a Honey Deep Moisturizing Rescue Mask. And then from Aveti, they have a Fresh Clean Coconut Mild Foam Cleanser. Now they have some products here from The Balm. They have the Day to Night in Wall Street. That's an eyeshadow shade, as well as Lombardy and St. Charles Avenue. And then they have one in ULTA, another eyeshadow. Then here they have a Betty Boop, which was a collab they did with IPSY. It's a single eyeshadow in Flip Your Lid. Then from Estate Cosmetics, they have an eyeshadow in the color called Pipe. Then they have Phase Zero Makeup Single Pressed Eyeshadow in Banana Beige. Then they have the Coffee Scrub in French Vanilla. Now they have some products here from ULTA. I cannot believe how many options. They have a BC concealer in light neutral, as well as a concealer in medium warm. Then they have from Cake Beauty Curl Your Friend Defining Curl Cream. They have from Nature Lab Tokyo a Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. As well as from Pure Brazilian, they have a Daily Anti-Freeze Serum. From Pearlie's Beauty, Coconut Oil and Silky Body Butter. From Cover FX, they have a high-performance setting spray, as well as the Water Cloud Primer. I just got the Water Cloud Primer as a choice, I think, last month in a BoxyCharm, and I haven't tried it yet, so this is a great way to try it for $3. Then they have Scone Cosmetics. This is Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner in black. And then they have a couple of brushes, which I love when they do this, because these are $3 for a full-size brush. They have a Real Her Success in Mind dual-ended brow brush. They have another brush from Slim Glam. This is their number SS57 brush. It looks like a blender brush. And the barrel looks beautiful. And then Farah Cosmetics, also it looks like it's a fading out brush, and that is a large blender brush. Oh my God, there's so many decisions here. So you're allowed to choose 8 per bag, and that's what I'm going to sit down now and decide to do. But I wanted to share with you guys what I'm going to be getting in all my bags, and then hopefully you guys will join me for my unboxings, and then you guys will then be able to see what I chose to put in my bags as my add-ons. All right, everybody, stay safe, stay well, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really hope that you do. It is so easy. It is the red button that's right underneath my video. If it turns gray, you're in. Don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And please, if you're enjoying my content, give me a thumbs up. It is so important, all right, for the YouTube platform so that I can get recognized on the platform. So I appreciate all the help that you guys are giving me and the support on this channel. And I will hopefully see you in my next video. See you again. Bye-bye.